When it comes to upgrading your car audio system, the details matter just as much as the big components. That's where Metra Electronics steps in with their GM speaker adapters, model number 82 to 3016. These adapters are specifically designed to convert standard 2.5-inch speaker spaces to fit tweeters, enhancing your audio experience with precise, high-frequency sound. This is particularly useful for those of us looking to customize or upgrade the sound system in a vehicle where space and compatibility are significant constraints. The first thing you'll notice about these adapters is the build quality. Metra has over 70 years of experience in the industry, and it shows. They understand that the installer's experience is crucial, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional. These adapters are crafted with attention to detail, ensuring a secure fit that matches perfectly with your vehicle's door mounts. This secure fit isn't just about ensuring that the product stays in place, it also affects sound quality. A well-fitted adapter helps prevent vibration and ensures that the sound from the tweeter is crisp and clear, not muddied by movement or poor mounting. Testing these adapters in a real-world environment highlights another aspect of Metra's commitment to quality. These aren't products that were just designed in a lab. They're tested under actual installation conditions to ensure they meet real-life demands. This testing is apparent when you handle the product. Everything from the fit to the ease of installation speaks to a well-thought-out design. What sets these speaker adapters apart is their versatility and the focus on user experience. Installation is straightforward, which is a massive boon for installers. You don't need to worry about making modifications to your car or dealing with adapters that don't quite fit right. Everything about the Metra 82 to 3016 is designed to make the installation as painless as possible, which is a significant relief, especially for those who might not be as experienced with car audio installations. Overall, Metra's GM speaker adapters are an excellent choice if you're looking to upgrade to tweeter speakers for enhanced audio quality in your vehicle. They reflect a combination of thoughtful design, quality manufacture. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.